Digital System Laboratory final project, and our project name is Spacecraft, and the member is Wang Genhan and Chen Yunyi. Let's talk about our design motivation. We were thinking of the small game thought could make full use and the 7-segment display. After watching some small games on the internet, I happen to have a general course about astronomy. Therefore, we decided to make a space-themed game to avoid alien attack. And there are many interesting small games on the internet, mobile phones or core-type video games. Among many small games, some are dodge-type games. You must use the arrow keys to manipulate the main body to avoid obstacles. The purpose of the game has been achieved. I used to play this small game quite often, so I thought and discussed this topic to make the final project. The following picture is the small games we will play on the internet or on the video games, and now we reverse this to design the game. And then we will see the design detail. First, the upper button is reset game, and the lower button is stop game. Second, the far left X5 is the player. It's called the spaceship. The player moves up and down through the operate keys SW0 and SW1 to avoid the alien. And the alien will move from the right to the left, and it will end when they touched. Let's talk about the design detail. Player control, and it will control the spacecraft. And we will see the left picture. Player shifts display on the hex 5. And if we want the player at the top, we will switch the SW1 to 1 and SW0 to 1. And if we want to the player at the middle, we will switch SW1 to 0 and SW0 to 1, and or SW1 equal 1 and SW0 equal 0. If we want the player at the bottom, we will switch the SW1 equals 0 and SW0 equals 0. Let's talk about our design detail. Random alien. You will see the first and the second picture on the left side. You will see the ball alien like this. And let's see our 3 and 4 picture at the right hand. You will see the noodle alien like this. Let's see our design detail. Alien transform. The following picture are the alien transform way. The first picture is the noodle alien, and the second picture is the alien fly from the right to the left, and the third picture is he transformed to the ball alien, and the fourth picture is he fly to the left. Let's see our design detail. Game over after it crash. There are 2 crash situations. Let's see the left 2 picture. We will see the ball alien crush the player, and the noodle alien touch the player. If we crash, the 7-segment display is you lose. This is the demo video display, and the lower button is start, and we switch the SW0 and SW1 can control the player, and the upper button is reset. If they crash the alien, it will display you lose. This is the first player 3 display by customer, and we will see he play the game. Now he avoid the alien. And if we crush the alien, it will display the you lose. And it reset and it crushed the alien. And now he avoid the alien. This is the second player 3 display by customer, and we will see the player play the game. And he avoid the aliens. When he crashes the aliens, it will display the you lose. These are the feedback from the customer. First, the game operation interface is simple and easy to understand. Second, some players find the aliens are regular, but it is not easy to play. And the random change of alien can make the player anxious and nervous. 5. It is not easy to operate the spaceship up and down. It is a little bit confused. Let's talk about difficulty during the design. And first, when we first thought about the game, I had a lot of things and details in mind, but I wasn't sure if I could actually make it. Second, faced with the possible of collisions between aliens and spacecraft, I found it difficult to write a program. Third, in a plot where the alien randomly fly over in design program, I am a little bit confused. Fourth, have difficulty on design HP system. Future improvement. We hope that the game can add some multiple aliens on screen at the same time. HP system. Having game's title before game starting. Display through the computer screen. This is our work distribution, and the first member Wang根瀚is for coding, game design, come up idea, and the second member陈雲億 is making PPT videos, game design, and come up idea. This is our reference, and we refer some video games and 2021 and 2020's final project and the digital system laboratory course. The report is finished. Thank you everybody.